Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So cooked pasta, get your pasta ready. We're going to concentrate very much on the sauce. I'm using tagliatelle. You can be using spaghetti, penne, fusilli, up to you what type you want to use. Mushrooms, I've got some mushrooms here. I'm keeping them whole. I've got like 150 grams of mushrooms, 250 ml of cream. Now again, I always get asked this, thick or thin cream will not matter. This is a thick cream I'm using, but thin or runny cream, whatever you want to call it, will work the same. 1 onion, I've sliced that, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Here I've got 2 herbs today. I'm using oregano and tarragon. I love tarragon with mushrooms and cream. I think that's a lovely little combo. We're going to start this off with some butter, olive oil, add some salt and pepper. That's it. We'll have this done in absolutely no time. Wonderful. Okay, so I've got a little bit of butter and olive oil mixing there, heating that up. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion, and we're going to go for about 3 minutes. See you then. Okay, so I put like half a tablespoon of butter into this. I mean, you can add more if you want. What we're going to do now is just drop in our garlic, tablespoon of garlic there. Then we're going to drop in our mushrooms. Like I said, I'm keeping mine whole. If you want, you can quarter them or slice them even, but I think whole is quite nice. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Get some salt in there. I'm going to hit this with some black pepper. And we're going to go for about 4 minutes now. Once again, please keep it moving all the time because of the butter. Okay, wonderful. So those mushrooms are cooked for me, got a nice bit of colour on them. We're now going to add our herbs. Like I said, I'm using tarragon and I'm using oregano. Nice little mix that is. Very simply, with the heat still on, let's drop our cream in. 250 ml of cream. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you're using thick or thin. It's all going to work out the same. 2 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, beautiful, wonderful little sauce. If you want, drop some olives in there. A few chili flakes maybe. Bit of Parmesan cheese. I'm keeping it just like this. Next up, your pasta of choice. Mine is tagliatelle. I'm going to get 2 spoons now with the heat on for about 3 minutes. We're going to work the sauce around, on, in, on top, underneath, whatever you want to say, onto the pasta. I'll see you at the table. This is wonderful. Okay, and there you go. Absolutely wonderful, super easy. Garlic, mushroom, cream tagliatelle. I've just chopped a little bit of red bell pepper on there for a little bit of colour. That is delicious. Let's make a little salad. Okay, like a really super easy salad here. So we've got tomato chopped, chickpeas cooked, onion. So about the same amount of onion and the tomato, which is like 1 cup, and that's a can. I'm using these from a can. If you're going to use them from a can, always give them a nice wash in some cold water. I've got some lovely green pesto there, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, about the same amount. Bung that in a bowl, mix it up, bit of black pepper. Wonderful stuff. Okay, mixing bowl. There's our chickpeas. There's our onion. Now I like quite a lot of onion in this one. Here's our tomatoes chopped up. Gonna get that. About a tablespoon of green pesto in there. Olive oil, nice quality, extra virgin. A little bit of balsamic vinegar. You could use a regular vinegar if you want, or even some lemon juice. I'm not going to be putting any salt in this. I think it's kind of salty enough, really. Bit of black pepper always, eh? I'm going to give this a mix, and it's done. It's going to be a lovely little salad to go with our mushroom pasta. Super, super easy, really delicious. That goes really well with our pasta. In fact, goes well with anything, really. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.